All right, a little brief video here featuring the onion root tip slide. Down here at the end, we have a region of the root called the what? The root cap. What's the function of the root cap? It's to protect the delicate tissues behind it. And so what happens to a real root cap? These cells get worn away as that root does what? Pushes through the dirt? Yes. And how come it doesn't get totally worn away and gone and disappear? Because it's being renewed from behind. And new cells are dividing, forming more root cap cells. So it's constantly being renewed, at least as hopefully as fast as it's being worn away. So what is this region behind the root cap in which cells are dividing? It's called what? The apical meristem. Yes, indeedy. The region of cell division, the apical meristem, and this is where you look for cells dividing. It actually goes up past this picture a ways. And so we've got the root cap, we've got the apical meristem, which goes up a ways. You still find cells dividing. But at some point, the apical meristem fades out and cells are no longer dividing as we go farther and farther up the root. And so the apical meristem has two basic jobs: make new cells behind it, it makes the root longer, and make new cells in front of it to renew the root cap cells. And um, so we moving up the root uh, out of the apical meristem. And what's behind the apical meristem? Not the region of cell division, but the region of what? Elongation. Fact is, you look at some of these cells, wow, they're getting pretty long, some of them. Are we starting to get to the region of maturation? Getting close, because you see a central cylinder. Things are a little thicker here in the center, a little thinner toward the outside. The central cylinder is forming and cells are maturing. That is, they're figuring out what they want to be when they grow up. And so there you have it. You see the central cylinder very definitely forming in this root. Is this a monocot or a dicot root? Well, if there's a central cylinder like this, it is a what? It is a dicot root. That is absolutely correct. All right, there's our brief look at the onion root tip.